So, visiting relatives out of town enables you to go to out of town hardware stores. So, I went to this big one, and in the hardware department they had some Chinese made, probably very, very cheap padlocks, so I picked up a few. This one seems to be like, I don't know, a copy of a Abus weather sealed padlock of some sort. I played around with it a bit and I realized I could peel this one off. So we have a laminated 65mm padlock. Looks familiar. Anyway, it's a 5-pin padlock. And I paid 50 kroner for this one. That's equivalent of about $6 US. So let's pick it. A regular hook. And away we go. There we go. Okay. It's really cheap. There we go. Yeah, it works. No ball bearings, of course. Anyway, the other one is a Stahlex Superlock, grade A, with pictures of a motorcycle and also a Vespa. Aluminum hang slot, 40mm. Superlock, extra tough, extra safe. Don't just lock it, superlock it. So I paid 19 kroner for this one. That's equivalent of about $2.50, $2.50, something like that. Stahlex works beautifully. It's very light. It's very cheap. So let's try this one. It's a 4-pinner. There we go. That's the bitting. You can see it. So that's the catch from my trip. Don't lock your bikes with this one. I got 2 left. If anyone is interested, drop me a message and let's see what I can do. So you can play with these very cheaply made padlocks. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you later.